Hi, it's Brad Walker again. I guess this is part 6, and I'm going to connect some of these power cables from the power supply to different parts, like the CPU, the motherboard, and then when I get the graphics card installed, I'll connect it to that as well. But basically, I'm going to run these cables through the rear of the side of the panel of the case. This has a side panel where you can hide your cables. It's very nice. So I'll run them through here. Like so. And then I am going to take this PC. Take this big fat cable here and go through these small ones back around, just to hide the cable a little bit, so it's not, this is an extra cable, so I'm going to hide that in this back panel as well. This goes up here through this top part. Okay. Let me think. Honestly, this one's a little short, so the smaller one I'm gonna have to, it's gonna have to stay over here on this side. So, spaghetti or something. So I'll wait to hook that one in. I can connect this one. Alright. Okay, that's the main power supply right there. It's ready to go. Okay, now I am going to take these two cables. These are for the graphics card power supply. Requires two 6-pin connectors to power this. And these plug into the power supply itself right here. And they're all labeled. It's labeled, so like there's a 6-pin here, there's an 8-pin, and there's also a 6-pin and an 8-pin. There's 2 more 6-pins. So this is an 8-pin, and it just plugs right in. This actually is a 6 pin to an 8 pin. It has an extra 2 pins if you need an 8 pin connector. But all I need is the 6 pin. Plugs right into the end there. Like that. Take one and plug the other one right into the end. Yeah, make sure they're nice and snug. And then I'll drop it in. These I'll fold under. This barely fits in here. This is going to go into the PCI Express. So it's a little tricky. You really gotta line it up. And then once you have it lined up, once it's lined up, you just press down. You don't have to press very hard. You just want to make sure it's in there. And that's in there. And now I'll take a little screw and secure it. To the case. So it's not wobbling around. You want to get pretty tight. And that's pretty much it for that. And so I will see you on the next video, video 7.